In this session, we are going to discuss the reliability of the measurement tool for research results. Let's find out what is the reliability in measurement. It allows you to study the properties of measurement scales and the items that compose the scales. The reliability analysis procedure counts on the number of commonly used measures of a scale, reliability, and also provided information about the relationship between individual items in the scale. It is consistency of people responses across the items or multiple item measures. All the items on such measures are supposed to reflect the same underlying constraints. It shows people's scores on those items should be correlated to each other. These items or indicated or questions should be correlated to each other, which shows that they are measuring or reflecting the same underlying constraint. Always remember, whether you are going to use any of the software is not going to check the questions or items of your measurement scale. The software will check only the people responses and consistency in them. If the people responses to the different items are not correlated with each other, then it will no longer make sense to claim that they are all measuring the same underlying constraint. This procedure helps you determine the extent to which the items in your questionnaire are related to each other. You can get to know overall index of the repeatability or internal consistency of the scale as a whole. You can identify the problems item that should be excluded from the scale. It refers to the consistency of the measure. Psychologists consider three types of consistency. Retest reliability, which is over the time reliability. Internal consistency, which is across the items. And integrated reliability, which is across different researchers. Retest reliability is regarded as the most common measure of reliability. If the researcher wants to measure a constant that is consistent across time, then the score they obtain should also be consistent across time. Retest reliability is measured to check whether these scores are consistent on retest or not. Suppose if you are intelligent, you will always be intelligent. This means that any good measure of the intelligence should produce roughly the same scores for this individual next week as it does today. Prerequisite for the retest reliability requires same sample or group of people or respondent on repeat test to compare the score of measures at two different times. Another prerequisite for retest is that the time span should not be too long between two tests, as it could affect the respondent behavior. Internal consistency reliability. There are three types of internal consistency reliability, which are Crobach alpha, composite reliability, and Rho A. Crobach alpha is the most traditional measure of internal consistency reliability that assumes similar thresholds but produces lower values than composite reliability. Crobach alpha measures the consistency in correlation among the indicators or items or questions that are gauging or measuring some latent constraint. The threshold for the Crobach alpha is minimum 60%. But Crobach alpha is a less precise measure of reliability since the items are unweighted. In composite reliability, the items are weighted based on the constant indicator's individual loadings, and reliability is also higher than Crobach alpha. Crobach alpha may be too conservative. The composite reliability is too liberal, and the constructed reliability is typically viewed as within these two extreme values. As an alternative, the Dijkstra and Hessler 2015 proposed Rho A as an approximately exact measure of the construct reliability, which usually lies between convex alpha and the composite reliability. Hence, Rho A may represent a good compromise if one assumes that the factor model is correct. Interpreted reliability. Many behavioral measures involve significant judgment on the part of an observer or a rater. Interpreted reliability is the extent to which the different observers are consistent in their judgments. The rating from each rater on participant intelligence should be highly correlated with each other. Thank you.